Our friends and partners at Diagraph came to Neff Power. They were looking for a showpiece to feature their labeling systems in the upcoming Pack Expo. They wanted a powered system with a clean aesthetic and customer-friendly design that would complement their systems. They needed a conveyor to start, stop, pause, and change directions in sequence. Neff Power worked closely with Diagraph to meet requirements and exceed expectations. Neff Power selected the right products to solve the application. The center drive conveyor allowed for seamless forward and reverse motion. The programming platform and photo eye sensors met expectations of timing and stop. The overall aesthetic design was sleek and clean for showroom quality. Neff Power packaged the final solution. Diagraph was a huge success at the Pack Expo. The easily adapted design and general-purpose conveyor allows for multiple uses, now and into the future. How can Neff Power support your next showroom product demo? Call 855-727-6200 or go to neffpower.com and request an engineer discussion.